Are you ready to future-proof your tech skills? The tech landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is key. That's why we're talking about the top back-end languages that will dominate in 2025. Whether you're building the next big web app, diving into data science, or just curious about the engine room of the internet, knowing these languages is like having the keys to the kingdom. We're talking deep dives, breakdowns, and everything you need to know to navigate the world of tech. Today, we're diving into the back-end languages that are set to shape the future of web development. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, knowing these languages will give you a competitive edge. Let's get started. First on our list is Python. You've probably heard of it, maybe even tinkered with it a little. Python is like that trusty multi-tool you always keep around, versatile, reliable, and surprisingly powerful. Known for its clean syntax and readability, Python is often praised as a beginner-friendly language. But don't let that fool you. Under the hood, Python is a beast, powering everything from web apps and data analysis to machine learning and AI. In 2025, Python is still holding its ground as a major player in the back-end world. Why? Frameworks, specifically Django and Flask. These frameworks provide the building blocks for creating robust and scalable web applications. Think of them as the blueprints that streamline your development process, allowing you to focus on building cool features instead of getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty. But Python's appeal goes beyond its frameworks. Its massive ecosystem of libraries and packages is like having a toolbox overflowing with pre-built solutions for almost any problem you can imagine. Need to process natural language? NLTK has got you covered. Want to dive into machine learning? Scikit-learn is your new best friend. The point is, Python has a solution for almost everything. And let's not forget about Python's incredible community support. From online forums to dedicated communities, there's a global network of Python enthusiasts ready to help you troubleshoot problems, share knowledge, and push the boundaries of what's possible with the language. Whether you're building a simple web app or training a complex machine learning model, Python's versatility, readability, and vast ecosystem make it an indispensable tool in any developer's arsenal. It's no wonder Python consistently ranks among the most loved and most used programming languages year after year. But Python isn't just for tech giants and seasoned programmers. Its beginner friendliness makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of programming. And with its growing demand across various industries, learning Python is not just about future-proofing your tech skills, it's about opening doors to a world of opportunities. So whether you're a coding novice or a seasoned pro, adding Python to your skill set is a no-brainer. It's a language that's built to last, adapt, and empower you to create the future, one line of code at a time. Next up, we have JavaScript, or more specifically, JavaScript's alter ego on the server-side Node.js. Now you might know JavaScript as the language that brings life to your websites, making things interactive and dynamic. But with Node.js, JavaScript breaks free from the confines of the web browser and steps into the world of back-end development. Think of it like this. JavaScript with Node.js is like having a master key that unlocks both sides of the web development castle. You can use the same language, the same syntax, the same tools for both the front end, which is what users see and interact with, and the back end, which is the behind-the-scenes machinery that makes everything work. This means no more context switching between different languages, no more juggling different syntax rules. It's a streamlined workflow that allows developers to move seamlessly between the front end and back end, boosting efficiency and productivity. But Node.js isn't just about convenience. It's built on an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model, which might sound like a mouthful, but essentially means it's incredibly efficient at handling multiple tasks simultaneously. This makes Node.js perfect for building real-time applications, think chat apps, streaming services, or collaborative tools, anything where you need lightning-fast updates and seamless data flow. And just like Python, Node.js boasts a vibrant and active community. This translates into a treasure trove of open-source libraries, frameworks, and tools that can supercharge your development process. From Express.js for building web servers to Socket.io for real-time communication, there's a solution for almost every need. Plus, JavaScript is everywhere. It's the language of the web, and with Node.js, it extends its reach to the server side. This means learning JavaScript opens up a world of possibilities not just in web development but also in mobile app development, desktop app development, and even game development. So, if you're looking for a versatile language that can handle both the front end and back end, a language that's built for speed and scalability, and a language backed by a thriving community, look no further than JavaScript with Node.js. It's the full-stack powerhouse that's shaping the future of web development. Now let's talk about Java, a language that's been a cornerstone of the programming world for decades. Java is like that reliable, sturdy building that's been standing for years. It might not be the flashiest or the trendiest, but it's built to last, and it gets the job done. Java is known for its write once, run anywhere philosophy. Thanks to the Java virtual machine, Java code can run on any platform without needing to be rewritten, making it incredibly portable and versatile. But Java's real strength lies in its enterprise-level capabilities. When it comes to building large-scale complex applications, Java is often the go-to choice. Its robust architecture, strong typing, and focus on security make it ideal for handling mission-critical systems, financial platforms, and enterprise-grade software. And just like a well-established city, Java has a mature ecosystem of frameworks and libraries that cater to almost every need. Spring Boot, for instance, has become synonymous with Java development, providing a comprehensive platform for building everything from microservices to complex web applications. Another reason Java remains relevant is its continuous evolution. The language is constantly being updated with new features and improvements, ensuring it keeps pace with the ever-changing demands of the tech landscape. But Java isn't just for building monolithic enterprise systems. With the rise of microservices and cloud-native architectures, Java has adapted to the changing landscape, offering frameworks and tools that align with these modern development paradigms. So if you're looking for a language that's tried and tested, a language that's built for scalability and security, and a language that's backed by a vast ecosystem and a dedicated community, Java is a solid choice. It might not be the trendiest language on the block, but its reliability, robustness, and continuous evolution make it a language that's here to stay. Let's talk about Go, or Golang as it's often called, a language that's been steadily gaining popularity for its speed, simplicity, and efficiency. Think of Go as the sleek, high-performance sports car of the programming world. It's built for speed, it's agile, and it's designed to handle complex tasks with ease. Developed at Google, Go was created to address the challenges of building large-scale, concurrent systems. In a nutshell, concurrency means doing multiple things at the same time, and Go excels at it. It's like having a team of expert chefs in a kitchen, each handling a specific task simultaneously to prepare a complex dish quickly and efficiently. Go achieves this through Go routines, lightweight, independently executing functions that can run concurrently. Think of them as mini-programs within your main program, each working on a specific task without blocking the execution of others. But Go's speed isn't just about concurrency. It's also a compiled language, which means it's converted directly into machine code that can be executed directly by the processor. This results in lightning-fast execution speeds, making Go ideal for performance-critical applications. And despite its power, Go is known for its simplicity and readability. Its syntax is clean, concise, and easy to learn, especially if you're coming from a C-like language background. This makes Go a great choice for both beginners and experienced programmers alike. Go's popularity is also fueled by its growing ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. From web frameworks like Jin and Echo to database drivers and networking tools, Go provides the building blocks for building a wide range of applications. So, if you're looking for a language that's fast, efficient, and scalable, a language that's designed for concurrency and performance, and a language that's backed by a growing community and a promising future, Go is definitely worth checking out. It's a language that's built for the modern web, and it's only going to get bigger and better in the years to come. Finally, let's talk about Rust, a language that's been generating a lot of buzz in the developer community for its focus on speed, safety, and reliability. If Go is the sleek sports car, Rust is the meticulously engineered all-terrain vehicle. It's built for performance, it's incredibly robust, and it's designed to handle even the most challenging environments. Rust is a systems programming language, which means it's used to build the low-level systems that other software runs on, like operating systems, game engines, and embedded systems. But Rust's unique features are making it increasingly popular for building web services, network applications, and other performance-critical software. One of Rust's standout features is its focus on memory safety. It's designed to prevent the dreaded segmentation faults, memory leaks, and other memory-related errors that can plague software development. Rust achieves this through a strict compile-time ownership system that ensures memory is managed safely and efficiently. But Rust's safety features don't come at the cost of performance. In fact, Rust is known for its blazing fast speeds, often rivaling or even surpassing C and C++ in benchmarks. This makes Rust a compelling choice for building high-performance, memory-safe applications. Another key aspect of Rust is its concurrency model. Like Go, Rust makes it easy to write concurrent code, but it takes things a step further with its ownership system, ensuring that concurrent operations are also memory safe. Rust might have a steeper learning curve compared to some other languages on this list, but its focus on safety, performance, and reliability makes it a valuable investment for any serious developer. It's a language that empowers you to build software that's not just fast and efficient, but also secure and reliable. So if you're looking for a language that pushes the boundaries of performance and safety, a language that's designed for building robust and reliable systems, and a language that's backed by a passionate community and a bright future, Rust is definitely worth exploring. It might be the new kid on the block, but it's already making waves and is poised to shape the future of systems programming and beyond. As we look to 2025, mastering one or more of these backend languages will position you as a sought-after developer. Each language offers unique advantages, so choose based on your project requirements and personal interests. Whether you're drawn to Python's versatility, JavaScript's full-stack capabilities, Java's enterprise strength, Go's speed, or Rust's memory safety, there's a language out there waiting for you to explore it. The key is to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop experimenting. The tech landscape is constantly evolving, and the best way to stay ahead of the curve is to embrace the challenge of continuous learning. So, dive into these languages, experiment, build, break things, and most importantly, have fun with it. Let us know in the comments which language you're most excited to learn in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. We're always up for a good tech discussion. Until next time, keep building amazing things.